What a day for Turbo. Did the DGens finally wake up, or did somebody say, let's turn the money printer on? Let's get into it, guys. What did the Fed say yesterday at Jackson Hole, and why did the entire market take off? What did it look like for Turbo? Let's get into the charts and what key levels we have to be watching for Turbo to break in order to make sure this is successful, guys. We also have to keep a look on the macroeconomical environment to see if this rally will continue, guys. It's going to be a very informative video. We're going to get into everything Turbo and more. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I am truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video, guys. I just want to say I really do appreciate all of you who are a part of the Freeman and Finance family and have subscribed. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps boost us and get exposure to more Turbo toads. But guys, when we look at the bubble maps or the crypto bubbles, we see Turbo right here smack in middle, man. 15% up on the last day. It has been doing great. And when we look into the price, this is right here on the 4-hour candle. And I want to show you all what we have to watch out for. But one, what we seen yesterday was a very nice pump, and it did not sell off. Like if we look at that, it went up about 20%, and it's sitting here consolidating very nicely. And so this looks like just a big bull flag for me, obviously, or maybe you can call it a little bull flag, but I'm expecting us to have a breakout of this of over half a penny. But what do we have to watch out for? We know there are some key levels that are currently resistance that we need to flip into support. So what are they? And so let's go into this time frame, zoom out a little bit, and let's look at some periods where we have been rejected. And we can see right here that the most one coming up closest is this level right here, guys. Even right there, it had rejected us a little bit. So when we take a look at it, that is right underneath the half a penny level, and that is currently where we are sitting right now. So how do we break that? How do we invalidate that? How do we flip that from resistance into support? Let's take a look at it. So what we're wanting to see, and I'm expecting this to happen very soon, is we don't just want to see a pump up and then, you know, just kind of middle off and then fall off. What I want to see is a volume, okay? I want to see it break out with volume, come back, retest it, come up, maybe retest it again, and then take off. That is exactly what I am wanting to see it. And that right there is evidence of flipping a resistance into a support. But guys, look at these big buys coming in, okay? 29,000, ate up that 20,000 sell, right? I mean, but there is a lot of volume coming in for Turbo. But is this going to last? Is it short-lived? Why is this happening? Well, I said yesterday on X that the Fed was speaking in a little over an hour at Jackson Hole. If this is dovish, we will see a boom. If this is bearish with rate cuts being slow, then we will see a sell-off. And that is exactly what we've seen. We've seen a boom because the Fed was dovish. This right here is MSN.com. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled on Friday that lower interest rates are ahead. So what does that mean? That means when interest rates are lower, money is cheaper. So people are willing to invest in risk on assets more, okay? They can't just keep their money in the bank and earn 5, 6, 7%. That rate goes down as well. So people want to invest on risk on assets, and that's exactly what crypto is, but more importantly, altcoins, and maybe this DGen meme coin, right, guys? What is wrong with us where we dropped on our head? But it's not just that. Turbo is continuing to grow, guys. Look, it was just, a few, weeks ago. Like seriously, if you look at this, just the beginning of the month, we were at 36,007, and we're up almost 1,000 holders, 1,000 new members in the Turbo Toad family. And it has been growing in a period of boringness, in a period of consolidation. A lot of people had a prime opportunity to buy the dip. The dip was here for a long period of time, okay? Maybe I could understand if someone did not buy the dip back here if they were wanting to, because this was up, down, up, down. But in this period of consolidation, this was a prime opportunity. But I just want to say, guys, remember, meme coins, even Turbo, is extremely risky. And so this is never financial advice. I'm just got slightly a degen and loves finance. And these are always a smaller allocation of my portfolio. But we've got more people joining a meme coin made by AI for the people. But we can't do it on our own. Okay. We have to see a breakout on Bitcoin. And even though Bitcoin was up 6% yesterday, that does not get us out of the clear. In the macro view of thing on the daily candle, we are still in this bullish flag pattern. And I made this measurement earlier, but if we take a look at it, this flagpole is approximately yay high. And if we take that, that's going to get us a breakout to approximately close to 100,000, and I have this marked right here because 100,000 is obviously a new big all-time high. And then it's also 6 figures. So people will have their little sell orders up there trying to FUD us down. But that is very bullish. So what we might see is everything pumping, Bitcoin go up, Bitcoin come down, Bitcoin dominance go down, and then altcoin dominance go up. And that would be the altcoin season that we are all waiting for. But this is really good to see with the entire market pumping, because what you don't want to see is a one-off pump. That is what we had previously with Turbo. It was great. It made people a lot of money, but as you can see, it's short-lived, right? When only one coin is pumping, it will eventually sell off and consolidate. But when the entire market is pumping as a whole, that is something that is long-lived. And I think that's exactly why we are not seeing a sell-off. We are getting consolidation right after that pump. We had this big pump and it is just consolidating. A couple people tried to sell it off. You see this big wick down here, but it got ate up very, very quick. So I think this is going to last. I think we're turning around and getting into the start of the bull run. I truly do. But what we want to see from Turbo is, I've said this before, you've got your tier ones, Doge and Shiba. You've got your $1 to $5 billion rankings, how I consider it, between Pepe and Rhett. Everything else is considered tier threes. Turbo is currently sitting at number 15. And I want to see Turbo get up to this tier 2 ranking to really be a household name with crypto meme coins. And we got some more competition. We've got this stupid Tron Sundog thing that's really taken off. And so there is less money available for Turbo. But the good thing is the total crypto market cap is growing. It was at 2.1 trillion yesterday, and now it's at 2.26, 160 billion more into the crypto market. So that's exactly what we want. Previously, it's been a dog eat dog world. The total crypto money had not changed. It was just moving from this token to this token. And what we want to see is more money coming into crypto. And we've seen that with stable coins being minted. A lot more money is on the sideline waiting to jump in stable coins, and that's exactly what we want to see to start off this historic bull run. But guys, I also want to highlight we have a AMA coming up with HTX next Friday. This was posted from HTX's page, but it will be hosted from Turbo. As you can see here, Turbo and HTX AMA hosted by Freeman Finance. Guys, bring your questions. Come on, I'm here as a normal investor to represent the Turbo Toad family. We're all doing our part. I do the AMAs, certain people negotiate deals, and you guys spread this video, you share this video, you post art on X. We are all a part of the Turbo team, and that is why this is the best meme coin of all time. But let me know, what do you guys think about Turbo, about this recent pump? Did you sleep good last night? Because I know I definitely did. I always do when I know the best meme coin of all time is getting more exposure to the masses. We are currently at a $330 million market cap. But guys, please share this video to expose people to Turbo. Like it really helps the algorithm. And if you're not a part of the Freeman and Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.